Budget Friendly Cooking. I am Donna, and today we're gonna try to make some crispy chicken wings. So I've never used this recipe. I'm gonna try it together with you and see how this magical ingredient, baking powder, makes the chicken wings nice and crispy. So I have 4 chicken wings here, which I'm gonna cut into pieces. So first thing, very important, is to dry your chicken wings so they're nice and dry. And then you need a nice sharp knife to cut that. Just try the connection part and just go through that. There you go. 1, 2, and we're gonna get rid of this, right? Yeah, we can use it for broth, but I'm not gonna make broth, so I'll just get rid of it. So same with all of them. Okay. These are nice big wings. I usually marinate my chicken wings in yogurt and spices and then bake them. But we're gonna try a different recipe today. So, and we're still gonna bake them because I don't wanna deep fry them at home. I think we can achieve some crispiness without deep frying the chicken wings. So I have a teaspoon of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of baking powder, and they say to use aluminum-free baking powder. And then you can add any spices that you like garlic powder, paprika, but I have my Georgian Svanetian salt mix, so I'm gonna use that because why not? It's very flavorful. It has garlic and it has all Georgian spices, and I just love the flavor of that. So I'm gonna coat that all my wings with this mixture nicely. Good. That looks like it's coating pretty well. There you go. So, and then you can just shake it and just get rid of the excess, and that's how it should be. It's beautiful. And then I have this baking sheet lined up with the foil so that I don't need to clean that. And then we just move those guys here. Just like that, skin up. And I'm preheating my oven to 450 degrees. Surprisingly, it takes long. I always think that chicken wings, they are just little guys and it's gonna be ready in 30 minutes, but they are never ready in 30 minutes. It usually takes an hour. Have them nice and crispy and soft and juicy inside. Alright, that looks good. And just a little bit of olive oil. Let's do like half and see how different they are. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Okay. So this way we're not gonna waste too much oil, and see, maybe we don't need to use oil at all. This is ready in the oven. Goes. 450. I'm gonna set up the timer for 30 minutes and then check. Oh, look at those. So 30 minutes later. I kind of like the texture of those where I put some olive oil. These are kind of crunchy. I mean, these are crunchy too. So we're gonna flip them around and put them back in the oven for maybe 25 minutes to make them nice and crispy from the other side. Oh, hot, hot, hot. But they look good. I'm very excited about the crispiness. Okay. Back in the oven. That looks so pretty. They are nice and crispy. So I'm gonna make a little sauce for that. So buffalo chicken wings, they do butter, melted butter, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna do a little different. So I wanna add a little bit of sriracha and barbecue sauce. Mix those two. And that's it. A little spicy. Drop those here. Okay, let's leave one, just for fun. This is like low-calorie chicken wings. No butter, no deep fried, but they're gonna be tasty and crunchy and delicious. So just let that absorb the flavor from the sauce a little bit, and then you can serve it with celery and whatever sauce you guys like. Oh, it looks amazing. There you go. And it's messy, and that's the whole idea of chicken wings, to make a mess. This is so much better. And it's still crispy and crunchy and very flavorful. I love that. So good. All right, guys. So we tested that baking powder idea of making your chicken wings crispy, and it kind of works. It feels like you deep fried them, but we baked that, and it doesn't have a lot of oil because we didn't deep fry them. So if you want to try, you can try that. But if you don't want like crispy chicken wings, you can always bake them in the oven and then just add whatever sauce you guys like. So I will see you guys next week, and don't forget to subscribe and make sure you make that and share your comments, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.